Okay, today I want to touch on what is a credit card and how do you actually use them. Credit cards are really fickle because you go into the bank when you're 18 or when you're an adult and you can open up a credit card. But what actually are they? Credit cards, if you use them wisely, can actually be your best friend. If you don't know how to use them, they can be really dangerous. But the thing is, not many people teach you how to use them. Banks don't actually teach you how to effectively use your credit card. And this is how people get into debt, especially from a young age, because they think it is free money. First of all, a credit card is actually you borrowing money from the bank. It is not yours, it is not money you owe. So you can go into a bank or a building society, and now even online, you don't even have to be into a physical store. You fill in an application form, you give your details, and they will run what's called a credit check. And they will basically be able to tell you if you can get a credit card. What most people don't know is actually it's easier to get a credit card than it is actually a telephone bill. You don't need a very high credit rating for some credit cards. So most people, when they turn into adulthood, 18, they can get a credit card. What you need to remember is that money is what the bank is borrowing. So if they come back and say you can have a credit card with a £2,000 limit, that £2,000 is not your money. That is the bank's money. And when you spend it, you will need to pay it back. What they don't tell you is, or they do tell you in small print, but they don't go into detail about it, is if you do not pay it back, you have to pay fees or what they call interest or APR. It's interest on your amount. And they are actually quite high. It can be anywhere up to 30%. So it's quite high. The way to use a credit card is if you know you need to buy something, for example, if you have a car and you need to fill it with fuel, use your credit card. Generally, some cards, and this is where you need to shop around, they will give you rewards for using them. So you can get air miles, you can get points, you can get vouchers. There are certain cards that will give you certain benefits to using them. If you know you need to go and buy fuel for your car and you're going to put £50 in, use your credit card to pay for it, but then you pay that £50 straight off. So you're not going to owe the bank any, but you still get the rewards from using that card. If you don't pay it off and you spend a few £100s and you don't pay it off, you are going to incur interest charges. So, for example, if it's £200, they might say that is 10%. So they're going to add £20 to your bill because you haven't paid it off. So then the next month you owe £220. If you then don't pay it off again, it's another 10%. And it keeps going up and up. And this is the trap that people fall into because they will max out their credit card, which means they spend the full amount they're given, in this example, £2,000, and they cannot pay it off. So what happens is charges keep increasing. Not just that, it also affects your credit rating. Your credit rating is the thing that's going to allow you to be able to get things like a mortgage, a telephone contract, anything that you need to be able to borrow on. So really, you want to be paying your credit card off. You can pay minimum amounts every single month. So it might be that they say, okay, you've spent £200. We want you to pay a minimum of £25, and then it won't negatively affect your credit rating. But some still will put a charge on because you haven't paid it off in full. Some won't. It does depend on your credit card and the terms and conditions. So this is why it's really important you read those and you understand what you're signing up for. Some cards will say, okay, we give you 18 months of free where you don't have to get any charges. So 18 months interest free. So you get 18 months to spend on the card and pay it off before you start incurring interest. Others will allow you to transfer one balance to another credit card. If you have credit card debt and you're having to pay interest on it, you can look at moving the balance, but just remember that normally incurs a fee. And actually, when you open more credit cards, it actually affects your credit rating. So you really need to make sure what you are doing is actually going to help you. But with regards to using them, a credit card is borrowing money that is not yours from the bank. You have to pay it back. Please do not go on a spending spree and get really excited about this money that they've given you. Because if you don't pay it back, you're going to end up in debt. You're going to end up with charges. Now, if you are in that situation, start paying the minimum amount back every single month and then start putting extra on that when you can. Rein in the spending and really work towards paying that down, create a debt repayment plan. I will do another video about that and actually start looking to pay that balance down, but stop spending on it and put as much money as you can to get rid of it. Make sure if you are using it, you're using it wisely. So that means spend only on things that you know you need. So your food, your fuel, things like that. That's going to get the points, so you get the rewards from it. But make sure you pay it off in full every single month, so you're not then owing money to the bank. They don't want you to pay that money back because it's free money for them. If they can put interest on your card, your credit card, that's money for them. So you are actually giving money away by not paying off. Don't do that. Make sure you use them wisely, reap the rewards, and make sure you use them so that actually you get the benefit from it. Because credit cards can be good because they do, if when you pay them off in full and you look after them and use them wisely, they will help your credit rating. Just make sure you're doing that. If you need to watch this video back, I will do another video on debt repayment, but it's so important that you use a credit card well, you understand what it is, and you use it wisely. There's nothing wrong with having one. You can get so many benefits of them, but just use them properly. Don't think that you can just go and spend on it on everything because you can't. And it is not your money. Always remember that it's not yours. Now, a debit card is completely different. A debit card is what you have your money on. I will do another video about that as well. Now, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Let's Get Wealthy is about teaching financial education. I'm going to be talking about all the things that people don't talk about, and I bring open money conversations to you. I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know around your finances and looking after your money so that actually you don't fall into these traps and you can start building up a wealthy, happy life and really enjoy the money that you're bringing in. If you're working hard, it's really important you do. And I want you to learn and have this financial education so that you can start enjoying your money every single month without the stress, fear, and overwhelm. So make sure you subscribe, and I will be back with my next video soon.